What exactly is the FAG wheel bearing repair solution for light commercial vehicles? More and more light commercial vehicles are equipped with axle housing wheel bearing units. When a defect occurs, it's necessary to replace the entire axle housing, which leads to long downtimes. Not so with FAG. Thanks to our repair solution, you only have to replace the affected bearings, without having to align the axle or replace the entire axle housing. This way, you save a lot of working time and reduce your costs by around 50%. With this repair solution, you can also increase customer satisfaction by reducing vehicle downtime. Your garage functions more efficiently. You can complete up to 3 wheel bearing replacements in the time it previously took to do a single replacement. The FAG special tool reduces the time you need to complete the work, something your customers will really appreciate. Ask your spare part suppliers about the FAG wheel bearing repair solution.